Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Your Mac and the AirPlay receiver must share the same network or be directly connected. Once done, enable AirPlay on the TV or speaker so it's discoverable. On your Mac, open Control Center or click the screen mirroring icon in the menu bar to begin discovery. You're making the connection now so the Mac can stream audio or mirror video. This avoids delays and ensures proper handshake between devices before you choose what to share. Next, you pick how to use the connection. Choose Mirror Display to duplicate your screen, or use as separate display to extend your desktop. Each has different bandwidth and latency implications. Then open System Settings displays to adjust resolution, refresh rate, and scaling so text and video look correct. For audio, select the AirPlay device in Sound Settings or from the menu bar volume menu. Doing this lets you balance image quality and performance, depending on whether you're streaming video, presenting slides. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or click the AirPlay icon to disconnect cleanly so apps return to local output. If you experience lag, dropouts, or pixelation, make sure devices are closer. Switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or use Ethernet for lower latency and reduce concurrent network load. If the Mac can't find the receiver, restart Wi-Fi, reboot the Mac or the AirPlay device, and confirm AirPlay is enabled. One restart often clears discovery and connectivity glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.